Hey guys, a video on Mara. I'm gonna stay here on the 4-hourly and on the weekly potentially. Not zooming in here. Yeah, I'm looking if I have a box, but I thought I had one. Okay, it's here. So wave 5 is very ugly, meaning this wave 5 here in blue. We just wicked above this third wave, so that's where this chart is tricky, okay? With this wick, it could also be that this is an ABC in a correction here, okay? Rather than this being a fifth wave. Okay, the move up here has been really strong, the reaction. Bitcoin is doing good the past few days again. So if we can get back above this trend line locally, I think pressure is back on this local high here, and we could take it. But because, as I say, this fifth wave is very bad, the door is open that we have to label this as an ABC or a 3-wave move at least. This then a correction, and then we take this low still, which means that we will have a move to the upside with 3-wave structures here, which indicates that, look, this might still be a corrective push here, after which we move down. Of course, you can have bullish patterns that start from 3-wave moves, okay, that do like 3-wave moves in every wave structure, but it's too early to say that, okay? In that case, we would call this a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't really matter, because if this is a wave 1, 2, 3, or an A, B, C, with how price is reacting from here, and with this overshoot here, indicating to me that, look, it looks more like an ABC, meaning that we're gonna take this local level first before moving down. On both cases, if we push higher or if we're gonna go lower, we wanna see price push here and take these highs first, okay? And with doing that, we will get more data, and it will be, yeah, maybe easier to say which scenario it is, okay? Invalidation for the bearish scenario is this X wave high, okay? I'll make it green. So taking this is good for the bulls, okay? Because if this is a Z wave indeed, and if this is then a WXY inside your Z wave, taking this level will be the invalidation. We could even argue that this is a sideways wave X, ABC, and that this is the level to watch over here, okay? But I want to be conservative, that's why I'm putting it here. So I'm gonna remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because I'm not sure yet how to label this. And then, yeah, the B wave here is an indication, is the count of this Y wave in pink. A 3-wave move here clearly, in a wave A potentially, then A, B, C, like we said, in a wave B, after which we move down. But I think for this move down to happen, we would have to see Bitcoin move down as well. And for now, Bitcoin is looking like it's holding. So again, not sure about that. We need more data. What I can do is locally here, if this is a 3-wave move, we corrected it, so we can add a target box to the upside with the 1.32 at 13.12. So yeah, getting here would be good for the bulls, again, with also taking this X wave high here, okay? I'm gonna also add the 1-to-1, which is a target for a C wave rather than a wave 3. So if this is indeed an internal A, B, C, we might find resistance at the 1-to-1 here at 11.31. If we indeed see resistance here and price losing momentum, this will be then where we say, okay, this was indeed an ABC. We're gonna make one more low first, after which we try again. If this price action pushes now towards the higher end here of this box, we'll have to go with a 1, 2, and then this a third wave, okay? And then we'll have to accept a 3-wave move inside here, the first wave to the upside. I hope that's clear to you. I had fibs pulled from this here, but now that I changed my view here, I'm gonna pull it from here. We tested the 618, moving up from there, and yeah, again, I think I'm pretty certain we're gonna take this low, this high here locally before we move any lower, because this is also very overlappy. We have this wick above this indicating to me that this is a B wave. We have to take this, and then this will be the area to watch and to analyze again from. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.